In this video, I'm just going to explain how to install VLC Media Player in OBS Studio. VLC Player is a free and open-source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files, as well as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, and various streaming protocols. Let's start. Open Terminal. This command will install VLC Player. You can find the command in the video description. Type sudo password. Then type Y to continue installation. This may take a while, so please be patient. Close terminal. Please check the source list in OBS Studio. VLC Player is not in the list. Close OBS Studio. And open new OBS Studio instance. And check the source list in OBS Studio again. Congratulations, VLC Video Source is now in the list. To use VLC Video Source, simply click on it and change name or use it by default, then click OK button. In this panel, you can create a playlist. Just click the plus button, then select Add Files. You can add all your media files to the playlist. And check Loop Playlist checkbox. In the playlist, you can manage the play order of videos, choosing which one plays first or last. Then click OK button. Your first video will appear in the OBS player. To set full screen mode, please right-click and select Transform and then Fit to Screen. Your OBS Studio is now ready for streaming. To stream video, please click Start Streaming button. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and motivates me to keep posting daily content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.